Welcome to my class. Continuing on with market equilibrium, unit 7, changes in demand and supply simultaneously. How does it affect the equilibrium quantity and equilibrium price? So that is what we are doing, and in this we are going to talk, and we finished with the we are doing decrease in demand and decrease in supply simultaneously. And in this class, I'm going to talk about when the decrease in demand is less than the decrease in supply. So have a look and see what happens. So here in the figure, again, OX measures the quantity demanded and supplied, OY measures the price. And in this, we see that D1 is the initial demand curve and S1 as the initial supply curve. E is the point of initial equilibrium. OP1 is the equilibrium price and OQ1 is the equilibrium quantity. Now D2 is a new demand curve indicating what? Decrease in demand. S2 is a new supply curve indicating decrease in supply. And in the figure we see that decrease in supply is greater than decrease in demand. It is a situation of excess demand. Now excess demand is equal to ER, fall in supply, minus EK, fall in demand. That is equal to RK. So situation of excess demand is there. Accordingly, price tends to rise. Because of a rise in price, there is contraction of demand and extension of supply. Now demand contracts from point K towards point T. Can you see that? Supply extends from point R towards point T, and the new equilibrium is struck at point T. It is here that the new curves, leftward shift curves, that is S2 and D2, intersect each other, and the impact we can know is the impact on equilibrium prices, that it rises from OP1 to OP2, and the impact on equilibrium quantity is that the equilibrium quantity falls from OQ1 to OQ2. So this is what is, you can get a question as what is either singly or together, what is the impact of the simultaneous decrease in demand and decrease in supply. And if they don't specify greater than or less than, increase in demand, a decrease in demand greater than or less than or equal to, then you can write anything. You can explain anyhow you want about the impact. But yes, one thing remember, the equilibrium quantity will decrease. It's only the equilibrium quantity will change according to the, if you're talking about if the decrease in demand is less than decrease in supply, then the prices will fall. The new price will, what happens? The price will rise from OP1 to OP2. See, even when we go through, one gets confused. So you have to be very clear. And even if they don't ask for the diagram, just make a small stamp size diagram to understand what you're trying to say.